In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automated ad assets in Google Ads. We'll go through the process step by step, so whether you're new to Google Ads or you're just looking to refine your ad management, you'll be able to follow along easily. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open your browser and go to the Google Ads website. If you're not quite sure how to get there, search for Google Ads Home on any search engine and it should be the first result. Once you're on the main page, look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it to log into your account. If you're not already signed in, use your Google credentials to access your dashboard. Now that you're in, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads homepage. Here you'll see various options and dashboards related to all the campaigns you're running. What you want to do next is locate the navigation menu, usually found on the left hand side of your screen. This menu is crucial as it helps you maneuver through the different settings and options available. With that in view, scroll down until you find the admin section. Clicking on admin will give you access to various configuration settings essential for managing your ad account. Within the admin area, you will see options like account settings, billing, and access controls. What we're interested in is the account settings, so go ahead and click on that option. Now you are in the account settings area. Here you'll find several components related to your account's overall configuration. Look for the auto tagging option in this list. This step is crucial because the auto tagging feature controls how Google Ads processes information about clicks and interactions on your ads. Once you've located the auto tagging setting, you can click on it to access more detailed options. By entering this menu, you'll see specific configurations related to automated ad assets. Turning off automated ad assets involves ensuring that this auto tagging feature aligns with your desired manual control settings for your ads. To confirm, make sure that any toggles or checkboxes pertaining to automated processes are switched off or left unchecked. Taking this final step ensures that you have full manual control over your ad campaigns, optimizing performance according to your unique strategies. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off automated ad assets in Google Ads. By manually managing your ad settings, you can better tailor your campaigns to meet your business goals. I hope this guide was helpful and empowered you to take greater control over your Google Ads experience. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.